Hi, I'm Roya, and this is my channel, Everyday Yoga with Roya, where I try to bring you short, accessible yoga sequences to help you incorporate yoga into your everyday life. I release new videos every Monday, so if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe. Let's get started in a child's pose. Bring your knees wide to the edge of your mat, sit on your heels, and then drop your upper body to the ground. Extend your arms long. Just drape your midsection. Start to tune into your breath. See if you can extend the length of your inhales and extend the length of your exhales. This class we do today will be in a yin style of yoga. So we'll come into poses and hold them for a little bit longer than what you might normally do in a flow class. The goal is to just find the place where you start to feel sensation and then stay there and let the body and mind fully relax into the pose. So as you're in this child's pose, just try to release any tension that you're holding. With every exhale, see if you can let go a little bit more. On your next inhale, lift your head up and look forward. And then walk your hands over to the right side of your mat. And drop your forehead down again. So we're getting a little side bend here. You might feel it more in your right hip or on the outer side of your left hip. But again, just go where you don't feel any straining, but a light sensation so that you can really relax all of your muscles. A yin practice is not about effort, but it's rather the relaxation that allows you to get deeper into these postures. Lift your head up, look forward, and this time walk your hands over to the left side of your mat. Dropping your head again, feeling a nice side bend in your upper body, feeling those right ribs flare. Good, look forward, walk back up to center, and push back up to seated. Good, come to a comfortable seated position now. You can be cross-legged in the center of your mat. Bring your arms behind you and interlace your fingers. Extend your arms and extend your chest forward. And then release that effort and take your clasped hands and swing them over to the right, so they're at your right hip. Now take your elbows and squeeze those together. Feel a nice broadening across your collarbone. Close your eyes here and just feel this gentle squeezing of your elbows. Maybe add on and tilt your head to the right. Right ear falls towards the right shoulder. Adding on a neck stretch. Come back to your breath and keep that same cadence of breath that you had in your child's pose.
Slow inhales, slow relaxing exhales. Relax your elbows. Swing your clasped hands over to your left hip. Squeeze your elbows together again here. Maybe stay here or drop your left ear towards your left shoulder. Close your eyes. Just feel a gentle sensation and breathe here. Good. Bring your head back up to center. Relax your elbows. Unclasp your hands. Now we'll extend our legs long and we'll come into a forward fold. So this is a yin style forward fold. Keep your legs in a comfortable width. I like hips width. And we'll just relax our legs. So you don't need to flex your feet, engage your quads. Let them fully sink into the ground. Inhale and exhale. Just drape your upper body over your legs, allowing your back to round, keeping your hands planted comfortably outside of your legs. We're not reaching into a stretch, we're just draping over our legs. Let your head drop, let your shoulders drop. And we'll take about 10 breaths here. Maybe as we stay in this pose, you feel your upper body sinking down further and further. Good. On your next inhale, slowly push back up to upright. And then let's roll down onto our backs. Plant your feet on the mat and walk your feet wide to the edges of your mat. Let's just windshield wiper our legs a few times here. So drop your knees over to the right, back up to center, over to the left, back up to center. Just keep going like this at your own pace. Getting some movement into those hips, wiggling them out. Always feels nice. Come back up to center and walk your feet in so they're about hips width apart. We'll come into a reclined pigeon now. Lift your right leg and cross your right ankle over your left knee. You can just stay here with your foot on the ground. This is relaxing in itself. Nice, relaxing, gentle hip opener. Or you can lift that left foot off the mat and interlace your fingers behind your left hamstring and give a gentle squeeze. Again, don't try to force. You don't need to be squeezing your leg in as far as it can go or pushing your right knee out. Just hold your legs, support them in a comfortable position. Let's take a few more deep breaths here. Release your leg, your foot back to the mat if you had it up and elevated. Keeping your legs in this figure four pigeon position. Just tip your legs over to the left. So the outside of your left leg is on the ground and your right foot is pressing into the ground as if you were standing into a twist. Extend your arms out to the side. Plant your shoulders into the mat and just keep your gaze looking up at the ceiling. Your eyes softly closed. Inhale, and on your next exhale, bring your legs back up. Plant both feet on the mat. You windshield wiper your knees again. See how those hips feel. Coming back up, feet planted. We'll do the other side. Keeping your right foot planted, lift your left knee, left foot, cross the left ankle over the right knee. Stay here. Or lift your right foot, interlace your fingers behind your right thigh. And I'm not using my arm muscles here to pull in. I'm just letting my arms fall and the weight of my arms falling back and my shoulders relaxing into the mat, allowing that to give a gentle pull on my leg. If you lift your leg up and find it's a little too straining, then just release it back down. We'll stay here for a number of breaths. And as you stay here, see if you notice that you are holding tension in some place. And just notice it and see if you can relax whatever muscles are tightening or straining. Sometimes we do it unconsciously, so a yin practice is a good way to bring your attention to those times when you may be holding tension. Maybe you don't need to. Release that leg down if you have it up. And again, keeping our legs in the figure four, tip them over to the right, planting your left foot on the floor, outside of the right leg is on the floor. Let your arms extend wherever is comfortable. It could be in a T or down by your side. Eyes are soft. Just keep your neck pointed up at the ceiling. Inhale, and then on your exhale, bring your legs back up. Uncross your legs. Pull your knees into your chest and give them a big hug. Split your knees so your knees are coming towards your armpits. You can stay here hugging your legs in, or reach your arms between your knees to grab the outside edges of your feet. And bring your feet towards the ceiling into a happy baby. Again, just relax in this happy baby. Sometimes in our happy baby, we push through our feet and pull through our hands. And this one, just relax. Just like we did in the pigeon, let the weight of your arms and the weight of your legs be all that you're using to hold yourself and pull yourself deeper into this posture. And then let's take a few more deep, relaxing breaths here. Release your feet, bring your knees back into your chest. Give yourself one more hug. And then extend your legs, extend your arms, coming into Shavasana, our corpse pose. This is our precursor to bedtime. As we've practiced this whole sequence, just relax all your muscles, every muscle in your body. Take a deep exhale through your mouth. And we'll stay here for a few moments. When you're ready to come out of your pose, gently roll over to one side and use your hands to push yourself back up to seated. I hope you feel nice and relaxed after this practice and ready to crawl into bed. Thank you for practicing with me.